RUDA statutory information basing here in Rwanda. Let us all together be together, work together, live together, love one another, together, develop Rwanda. The RUDA mission. Our mission or assignment or job or our duty, our task, our work with the RUDAs to promote public education, to fight poverty in heads of the people and in their pockets, to fight ignorance, illiteracy, diseases, in order to go and reach far principles of the best governance in equality, liberty, and fraternity in Rwandan society. Fastening and quickening economic development of Rwandan society. Next, to contribute to the greatest fight of bribation and corruption, and promoting good governance through enhancing human integrity in the Rwandan society by RUDA. To promote free public education, to alleviate poverty, ignorance, literacy, and diseases among the society members. To fight poverty basing from all personal root causes, local root causes, and national root causes, plus international root causes of poverty in Rwanda. To bring equality, liberty, fraternity to all Rwandans, where must benefit them and boosting economically, is to strengthen our RUDA party positively, to be the leader in creation values for all our citizens in our mother country Rwanda, to provide good working system to our stakeholders, to quicken the deliverance of general services to our Rwandan citizens and others, to encourage business and customer care services, to provide the motivations to the highest goal achievers, to provide awards to professional staff and fellow citizens, performers in business doings and servicing, to service creation for citizens, to register and empower and monitoring many political parties, to give them all to get their ideas in order to pave way to the quickest democracy as they need. Mass media or media sectoral department providing citizen advocates or advocates in guidelines, citizen participation in all life governing systems, and to promote information communication technology, ICT. So that is the Ruda mission or our mission. This is our assignment for all Rwandans. This is Barafinda Ssekikubo Fred, the senior politician with the total seniority among others. So we are democratic, peaceful leaders, and we are very strong, and we shall never go astray and never to relinquish at all. Thank you very much, my fellow Rwandans at large, and my Kanombes, the Nyamirambos, and so on and so forth. Within all the 30 national districts. So, hither and yon, I wish you the best times and total successes in Ruda's agendas, or in all our orderlinesses that we have put forward for all people equally without any segregation. Thank you very much indeed.